name's Chris Antes, personal chef with the Chef for You to Have, and I'm here in beautiful El Cajon, San Diego, California at the Shared Commercial Kitchen, here to give you some tips on how to fix a dried out tortilla. You know, maybe when you get a little package of tortillas, they don't get sealed properly, they're exposed to a lot of air and they get dried out. One great thing to do is just use them as is and crush them up and put them onto a little taco salad. But if you want to revive them, to use them for a taco, I would recommend taking some paper towels. You know, if you have a microwave, you grab some paper towels. You want to just lightly moisten them. You don't want to get it really wet, just lightly dampened. You grab your dried tortillas and put them in there. Fold the paper towel around it, and then you can stick it in your microwave. You want to put it in here for maybe 10, 15 seconds, just enough to create a steam so that tortilla will become all nice and flexible. Now, if you don't have a microwave, you could do it in your oven, kind of with the same process. You know, just use a damp towel to wrap it up, or also just take the towel and dampen it a little bit and lightly brush some water on the tortilla. You don't want to run it under water and let it get all soggy, but then you would just either fold it back up in your paper towel or grab a piece of aluminum foil and put it in there, seal it up, stick it into your oven. You probably have it set at 350 degrees and leave it in there for maybe a good 10 or 15 minutes. Once you pull it out, a perfectly revived tortilla, so you can learn how to fix the corn tortilla.